Joe with your daily update for Thursday, April 2nd, 2015. Okay, we are nearing the end of the week. I'm glad that things have been so sunny and bright these days. I can't wait for the weekend. I have got to get out and take some photos. Weather. There will be sunshine and a few clouds with gusty winds developing in the afternoon. We will see a high of 64 degrees. The winds will even be stronger today, hitting between 25 and 35 miles an hour. Tonight we will have clear skies and more wind. The low will be 28 degrees. Community events. Get yourself to the Pechacucha event this evening, put on by Matt Thomas and Richard Spera. It's an opportunity to hear about the interests and obsessions of your fellow Tauseños. It is this evening at the TCA. Be sure to get your tickets early. The show tends to sell out. It is open mic night at Taos Mesa Brewing. Get there around 5 to see things getting started. There's also Tai Chi or Qigong classes held every single day at 9 a.m. at the Taos Kit Carson Park in warm weather, or at the Qigong Academy inside Yucca Plaza, 216 Paseo del Pueblo Norte, Suite H. Yucca Plaza is across from Kit Carson Park in downtown Taos. Enter through the double glass doors facing the parking lot. Daily reflections. Sometimes I can feel my bones straining under the weight of all the lives I'm not living. Jonathan Safran for Extremely Loud and Incredibly Close. Hope you have a good day, and thanks for watching your community-powered TV station, Taos 22.